What's up, guys?
Welcome back.
So today we doing a taste test with the new critically highly acclaimed Popeyes sandwich, Chick-Fil-A sandwich, and we even threw in the Wendy's sandwich. So what we doing, not only are we taste testing it, we're gonna blindfold each other and feed each other each sandwich. We're gonna rate it and guess which sandwich it is. So we're gonna let y'all know which sandwich we think is the best.
Blindfolded.
Blindfolded, and let's go.
How my hair too big? What you talking about?
Can you see?
No, I can't see.
Alright, so I'm gonna give her the sandwich. She gonna take a bite. She gonna rate it, and she gonna guess which sandwich it is.
Some in my eye.
Alright, let's go.
Yeah.
Close your eyes. You ready? You hungry?
I'm ready to taste it.
Alright.
Ready? I already know which one that one is.
Which one?
That's that Popeyes chicken sandwich.
How much would you rate it?
On a scale of 1 to 10,
Yeah.
but 10 being my most favorite, and 0 being my least, I would have to give it maybe a 6.
6.
Mhm.
Alright, you ready for the next one?
Mhm.
You need some water.
Mm-mm.
Get the taste out your mouth.
Mm-mm. Ugh.
What?
What's on it?
I don't know. Whatever come on this out.
Mmm.
Why are you spitting on me?
Mmm.
Nasty.
That's Wendy's right there.
What you give it?
That's pretty good. I like that one. I give that one a 8.
For real?
Yeah, I
Even
like
though
that.
you spit it out on me?
I know. I just felt something weird.
Like, why you ain't like spit in your hands? Why you had to spit on me?
You feeding me?
You know
What
I'm
you
saying?
think come with it?
Use yours.
Mmm. Chick-Fil-A.
What you give it?
A 10.
For real?
Yep.
So you think Popeyes is the worst one?
Well, I like the Popeyes chicken sandwich. The thing that get me with it is that it was like when I bit it, it was like too crunchy. I don't like all that extra batter on it. My teeth are already sensitive,
Yeah.
so that's why I didn't like it. It wasn't nasty. It's just
Yeah,
that
teeth
for
sensitive.
me,
You old. That's what old folks say.
I guess so. But it's just that with me, it's got a good taste. It's just with me, I didn't like it had too much batter on it, and it kind of like was hard to my teeth. But it was still pretty good. They were all actually good. It's just that I love Chick-Fil-A no matter what. So, yep.
Alright. It's hard.
You done tied it in a knot. Okay, guys, can he guess it correctly? I think I did good. He didn't even tell me how I did, but I guess he trying to see how I guess he trying to see, how he gonna do, depending on how he gonna tell me how I did. You know how they do it. All right, you ready? Alrighty. Which one you think that one is?
I think it's the Wendy's.
Really?
Yeah. Is it the Wendy's or Chick-Fil-A?
On the scale of 1 to 10, how good do you think it is, with 0 being the least and 10 being the best?
I mean, without comparing it to anything, it's about a 7.
A 7?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Okay. You ready for the next one? You need some water?
Yeah, I need some more.
There you go. Stuck the top off already. Okay.
Yeah, though, I think I'm hungry too.
Let's see. You ready?
Yeah. Nah, it's the Wendy's one.
Wendy's?
I don't know.
Which one you think that one is?
The Wendy's?
Oh, okay then. On a scale of 0 to 10, with 0 being the least favorite and 10 being the most, how good would you rate that chicken sandwich?
It's like a 5.
A 5?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm not sure. What did you say on the first one? How would you say it was?
A 7.
7? Okay. Alrighty. You ready for the next one? You need some more water?
Really like compared to the other one, it made the other one like bump up to an 8. I'm gonna say the first one was an 8.
The first one an 8. Okay. Alright, last one. You ready for it?
Yeah. Oh, this the Wendy's one. It's like a 4.
A 4? You don't like it? Okay then. Well, so
The first one was the best one.
the first one was the best one?
Yeah.
Okay. Would you like to know how you did, or you want to take your blindfold off, or would you like me to just tell you how you did now?
Okay, let me take it off.
Alright. This thing out.
Good. All right.
Okay, let's see how you did. Unfortunately, you did not get it right. The first one that I gave you was the Chick-Fil-A.
Yeah.
And you told me that it was Wendy's.
Yeah.
The second one was the Popeyes chicken sandwich.
Mm-hmm.
And you told me that was Wendy's.
Oh, okay. I thought
And then the last
Wendy's.
one was the Wendy's, which you didn't like. You didn't even actually like the Wendy's, but you kept on saying Wendy's.
Yeah. I don't know. I think Chick-fil-A got the best one. There.
That's what I said. Chick-fil-A, guys.
Man, that's messed. I thought Popeyes was gonna be good. I mean, it ain't bad, but I just like Chick-fil-A just tastes like fresher.
As long as I stayed in that line, it should have been as good as a Wilson.
Yeah, man, y'all done overrated this Popeyes chicken sandwich. Y'all tripping.
Yeah.
I don't know. Maybe I'm tripping, but Chick-fil-A got it though. Chick-fil-A got y'all, man. Y'all gotta come back again, Popeyes. Y'all get that batter right or something.
Yeah, I think it's too much batter on it.
I don't know, man. Let me see. Maybe it's because I had my blindfold on. Nah, that Chick-fil-A. It's good though. It's good. I'm gonna eat it. I thought I cut off the video.
Yeah,
Still,
we're gonna eat it.
Like, you know,
But if we had to choose, definitely Chick-fil-A.
yeah. I still wouldn't go to Popeyes first. Go to Chick-fil-A. Popeyes regular chicken though, spicy. true. But and they biscuits too. Biscuits good, but the sandwich is like mediocre. It ain't. I don't know what the craze about. But y'all like the video? Like, subscribe, comment, all that good stuff. You got anything to say?
No, just thanks for watching, guys. We really appreciate it.
Mm-hmm.
You done?
This is not that show. You can, but stay tuned.
And we'll see you next time.
I wasn't trying to do that, but.